Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. This is your Srinivas sir. You are watching Sri9 Teaching YouTube channel. So here in this video I am going to explain the SSC public examinations model papers, one of the model paper physical science. Here you have the general science paper. In general science you have two subjects, that is physical science as well as biological science. So here you should be very careful that in general science paper you will be having 3 hours time, and in that 1.5 hour will be physical science, that is part 1, and remaining 1.5 hour will be biological science. So together you have to write first 1.5 hour you have to write the physical science paper. After completion you have to submit the paper, then after you have to attempt the biological science paper. So be careful here. After completion of the physical science you have to go to the biological science paper. Okay, so remember that physical science as well as biological science together you have on the general science examination day. Okay, so be careful. I think you are preparing well for the examinations. Now you are going to face the pre-finals 1 and 2. Then after you will be having public examinations, SSC public examinations from April 3, 2023 onwards. Okay, right. So here I am here to help you little bit. So in this video I am going to explain the physical science question paper, model question paper. Now let us see the first guidelines for the preparation of physical science question paper for 9th and 10th classes. So here before I am going to explain the paper, here please watch the video completely. If you feel this is helpful to you, please like the video, share this video to your friends and subscribe by touching the bell button so that you will not miss any important video which is helpful for your examinations, especially 10th class students. Be careful about your examinations. If you have any doubt you can write in comments. I will definitely answer each of your questions. Okay, now let us see the paper. Here in physical science 40 marks are allotted for summative assessment question paper. In summative assessment question paper there will be two parts, part A and part B for each paper. Okay, part A and part B contains different types of questions as shown below. Now let us see the table here. In this table you can see part A and part B on the left side of the column, and types of questions, the headings, number of questions, questions to be answered, allotted marks for each questions, total marks and allotted time. Okay, now let us see the first types of questions. Here very short answer questions, VSAQ. Number of questions will be given 3, questions to be answered 3, so no choice here. Each question carries 2 marks. Allotted marks for each questions is 2 marks and total marks 3 2s are 6. That is about very short answer type questions. Now next, short answer questions, SAQ. Number of questions will be given 3, questions to be answered 3. Here also no choice, and allotted marks for each questions will be 4. So 3 4s are 12 marks. Right, now next coming to essay type questions. Essay type questions will be given 3. Here you have to answer only 2 questions. One choice will be there. Each question carries 6 marks. Allotted marks for each question is 6. So 2 6 are 12 marks. So this is about part A. Part A will be for 12 plus 12 24 plus 6 30 marks, and the 10 marks will be for part B, which is contain multiple choice questions. So multiple choice questions, MCQ, number of questions will be 10, questions to be answered 10, each question carries 1 mark, total 10 into 1 10 marks. So 30 plus 10 40 marks. And here you see 1 hour 15 minutes, here 1 hour 15 minutes for part A and 15 minutes for part B. So total time for the paper of physical science is 1 hour 30 minutes on general science exam day. The first session will be 1.5 hour will be physical science, then after biological science. Together you have to write. Okay, now let us see how many questions will be given according to academic standards. Let us see the academic standards. See on the screen the academic standards weightage is shown in the following table. Now here academic standard number, academic standards, percentage, marks and total marks. Okay, here very short answer questions, the columns are empty, because it depends on the at the time of preparing question paper, then only they will be filled for which type of questions and from which chapter are given, they will be filled. But here before that only we have to see the percentage of marks and number of questions or total marks. Okay, means which academic standard contains how many marks, that you have to understand. Depending on that you can prepare. Okay, now see, first academic standard 1, 40%, 18 marks will be given. 18 marks, it contains very short answer type question, short answer type question or essay question and multiple choice also, total including 18 marks. Academic standard 2, asking questions and making hypothesis, it contains 5%, only 2 marks will be given. And academic standard 3, experimentation and field investigation, 18%, marks 9. Be careful here, you can easily get 9 marks, because here academic standard 3, here in your textbook you have six activities, 6 experiments, lab activities. Among from 6 experiments, 1 experiment question will be asked, like write the aim, write the apparatus required, precautions and method of experimentation. That is nothing but procedure will be asked. So hence you can easily attempt the question and you can get the marks easily, because one essay question is 6 marks and one short answer type 3 marks. So 6 plus 9, 6 plus 3, 9 marks easily you get, right? Now see academic standard 4, information skills and projects, 8%, number of marks 4. Academic standard 5, communication through drawing, model making. Here drawing, maybe the figure may be given and parts will be asked, or figure may be given or it will be asked to explain the concept, right? Such type of question will be given. And academic standard 5, 15%, 7 marks will be given. And last, academic standard 6, appreciation concern to biodiversity application to daily life, 14%, marks are 6. So total 40 marks and 6 marks are choice, means one essay question will be choice. So here at the end you see very short answer type questions, 3 questions, short answer type questions, 3 questions. So and essay questions 3, from where you have to answer 2 questions, multiple choice questions 10. So total 40 plus 6 marks. 6 marks is for choice. Okay, so this is the academic standards table. Now let us see the original model question paper for the year 2023. Okay, if you feel this is helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel also. Now let us see the model paper. Now this is the SSC model paper, March or April 2023, General Science, Part 1, that is Physical Science, English version. Part A and B, maximum marks 40, time 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, now here Part A, 30 marks. See the instructions, read the question paper and understand every question thoroughly and write the answers in given 1 hour 30 minutes time only. So I have been telling you, while attempting the question paper, first read the all questions, then only start attempting the questions. Okay, right. Now second point, 3 very short answer questions are there in section 1. Each question carries 2 marks. Answer all the questions. Write answer to each question in 3 to 4 sentences in section 1. Okay, and section 2, 3 short answer questions are there in section 2. Each question carries 4 marks. Answer the all questions. Write answer to each question in 5 to 6 sentences. Here each question carries 4 marks. Be careful. And section 3, 3 essay type answer questions are there in section 3. Each question carries 6 marks. Answer any 2 questions. Write answer to each question in 8 to 10 sentences, even 12 sentences also if required. This is essay type. Among 3 questions you have to write 2 only, right? Now see the section 1 question paper. Section 1, 3 into 2, 6 marks. See the instructions. 3 very short answer questions are there in section 1. Each question carries 2 marks. Answer all the questions. No choice in section 1 and section 2. Be careful. All questions you have to write. Write answer to each question in 3 to 4 sentences. Now see the first question. This is model only. Okay. Write any 2 uses of each convex and concave mirrors. See here uses are asked from the first chapter. Okay, so here I want to suggest you that from the textbook you read all the uses, like in third chapter, uses of baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, plaster of Paris, like that. And in lenses, write the use of lenses. And going to last chapters, 11th lesson, 11th chapter, metallurgy, there also some uses may be there. And in last chapter, carbon chemistry also, you can get the uses like graphite, and the remaining parts of the textbook also. So one definitely question will be given asking uses. Okay, here 3 marks easily you'll get. Now second question, you see, what happens if rusting of metals does not prevent? This is given from the chapter 11th metallurgy. Number 3, list out the material required to verify Ohm's law from current electricity. Ohm's law, you know, this is very important question. So these 3 questions will be there in section 1. You have to answer all the questions. Now going to section 2, you see section 2, 3 questions are there. You have to answer all the questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 3 4s are 12 marks. See the instructions. 3 short answer questions are there in section 2. Second, answer all the questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Third point, write answer to each question in 5 to 6 sentences. If it is big, you can write in more sentences, right? Now see the fourth question. Answer the following question by using the above data. Here I explain the answer also. See here, second period elements are given, atomic number is given, atomic radius is given, electronegativity is also given. From the elements lithium to fluorine. So here only period elements is given, but we can understand the groups also. Lithium belongs to first group, beryllium belongs to second group, boron belongs to third, carbon belongs to fourth, nitrogen belongs to fifth, oxygen belongs to sixth, fluorine belongs to seventh group. Now answer the following questions. See the first question, how does the capacity of losing electrons changes in second period from left to right? Losing electrons is nothing but, see, metallic property here we can say. So left side of the periodic table loses easily, the elements of the left side of the periodic table loses electrons easily, but on the right side they do not lose, they accept, they gain the electrons. Hence from left to right the capacity of losing electrons decreases. Okay, right. Now second question, how does the atomic size changes in second period? You see the atomic radius is given 152, 111, 88, 72, 74, 66, 64. It means it decreases. Hence we can say atomic size decreases in the second period. Third question, mention the valence shell of the elements from lithium to fluorine. Here lithium's electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1 and the fluorine's electronic configuration is 2s2 2p5, the valence electronic configuration. Hence the second shell is the valence shell. Right. The fourth question, mention the position of the element N in the periodic table. You see the N, it belongs to second period as well as it belongs to fifth group. Okay, that is the answer. Now see the fifth question, mention the differences between alkanes and alkanes. It is given from carbon chemistry. Yes, differences, one differences question, one uses question, one experiment question is compulsorily will be given. Now see the sixth question, a doctor suggested to use plus 2D power lens to correct a person's eye defect. Then find the focal length of the lens and mention the type of lens suggested. Here power of lens is equals to 1 by focal length, inverse of the focal length. Okay, by using that formula you can solve the question. Right. Now the section 3, here this is of essay type questions. 3 questions will be given. You have to write 2 questions only. 2 6 are 12 marks. 1 question will be choice. Okay, right. See the seventh question, mention the products, write balanced chemical equation when 112 grams of propane C3H8 is combusted. Calculate the mass of the carbon dioxide evolved in the reaction. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 units, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 units, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit. It is there in the second chapter, chemical equations. Definitely first, second and fourth chapters, one problem will be given. Be careful about that, right? Now see the eighth question. Draw the shape of the all orbitals which represents the quantum numbers n is equals to 3, L is equal to 2. N is equal to 3 means nothing but third shell. From third shell, which orbital starts? D orbital. So all D5 orbital shapes you have to draw here. Okay, right, it is easy question. Now ninth question, list out the materials required in the experiment of hydrogen gas evolved when metals react with acids or bases. Mention the precautions to be taken and experimental procedure. Yes, from which chapter it is given? Yes, third chapter, acids, bases and salts, right? So this is the part A question paper. Now let us see the part B, that is objective paper. See SSC model paper March April 2023 part B, 10 marks, 15 minutes only time, 10 ones are 10 marks. Now see the questions. Here you have to write only the option, that is answer A, answer B or answer C or answer D. Which one will be the answer you feel, that letter you have to write in brackets. Once you have to write, see the third point in the instructions. In this section there are 4 options, A or B or C or D to each question. Choose the appropriate answer and write the answer in brackets given against the question. Part B must be attached to the answer booklet of part A. Okay, here be careful writing the answers. Once only you have to write, don't erase or don't strike off or don't rewrite. Be careful. See the first question, formula is used to find the magnification of the lens is. Magnification of lens, first, second, third, fourth numbers are given. First, m is equal to minus v by u. Second, m is equals to v by u. Third, m is equals to hi by ho. Fourth, m is equals to ho by hi. So here options are given, A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, D 1 and 3. So the answer is m is equals to v by u and hi by ho. So the answer is B. Option B is the answer. Now see the second one, match the following, part A and part B. So first exothermic reaction, second endothermic reaction, third photochemical reaction, fourth electrolysis reactions. So here exothermic reaction means heat evolves. So where heat evolves, in which reaction heat evolves? Yes, C plus O2 gives to CO2. In that reaction heat evolves. So first C, endothermic reaction, which heat absorbs. Where heat absorbs? Here C, D, CaCO3 heating. On heating it breaks into CaO plus CO2. So first C, second D. Photochemical reaction is second silver bromide, keeping in sunlight it breaks into silver and bromine, right? And last electrolysis reaction, first A answer, part B side, H2O gives rise to H2 plus O2. So here the matching test answers are C, D, B, A. So C, D, B, A, which option is that? C, D, B, A, D. So for second question answer D. Third question, low reactive metal, whether aluminum, sodium, arum or potassium. So definitely arum, which is gold. So third question answer is C. Fourth question, P, C3H8 plus Q, O2 gives to RCO2 plus S, H2O is balanced chemical reaction. Then the values of P, Q, R and S respectively. So here in place of P, Q, R, S, we had to write the numerals. So this is given from the second chapter, balanced chemical equations. So the answer for the fourth question is B, 2, 10, 6 and 8. Okay, right. Now fifth question, a solution changes red litmus paper into blue, then pH value of the solution is, so here is red is changing to blue, hence it is a base. So base pH is more than 7, hence answer is C. Fifth question answer is C, 12. Now sixth question, in the experiment of the finding refractive index of a prism, if the incident angle is equal to emerging angle, then here I1 is equals to I2, that is D is the answer. Now coming to seventh question, a figure is given, position of the image will be formed for this situation is given in the figure. Here it is a concave mirror and the object is placed between F and C. Yes, when object is placed between F and C, the image forms beyond C. So here beyond C is nothing but A. For the seventh question the answer is A. Now see the eighth question, if water is removed after heating copper sulfur crystals, then its color is white. So option B is the answer. Ninth question, one of the following one is used to get relief from indigestion. That is milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. C is the answer. Now 10th question, to correct hypermetropia eye defect we use, yes, convex lens is the answer. The option B is the answer for the 10th question. Okay, right. So have you watched the all complete video? If you feel this video is very helpful, so please press the like button. Please share this video to your friends, and also please subscribe my channel so to get any important video so that you cannot miss, so which will be little bit helpful for your examinations, and you may get the required GPA, 10 by 10 GPA. I hope all the best. Please stay tuned to this channel to get more videos. Thank you.